Hi everyone. From Unit 2 onwards, the videos, most of the videos are what we call interactive videos. When you go into the video, when you start playing the video, we know we have the transcript on one side. Now on the other side, we have what's called the Anotto window. And this is a place to add comments on things going on and to answer questions. Now actually underneath the video, the questions are listed here, even though some are multiple choice questions and some are for polling, but you don't answer them there, you answer them within the video. So let me explain. If you want to write at the beginning, this is let's say I want to say this is an interactive video. Interactive. Please add comments. Okay, this is a reminder from me. I send it. Now have a look at this bar here, okay? There's a bar here that didn't exist before. When I send it, can you see this is a mark here that means that here somebody's made a comment. So you'll see this all along and you'll know when you go where there's a comment. In order to see the comments, you can see them in the order they were given or the newest ones first. You can choose here. There's only one comment at the moment, so it's not really relevant. But when you have many, you'll probably want to see the comments as the video is running, so you can see what people have written. Now, if you have any questions and things aren't clear, this is where you'd write it, and other people in the group will be able to answer you. So the whole discussion becomes not as if it's a forum here together, and this is for you to use to understand things more clearly or to ask questions when things aren't clear. Now, in addition, there's certain places on the video when the video actually stops and asks you a question. Let me go to that place here. I just know where it is. It's here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to play just from here. Okay, so the question is, if there are primary groups, then what do you think are secondary groups? Now, you have to write your answer here. Can you see here? It's where you write your answer. So when you do done on here, the video continues and then stops again. So you have plenty of time to stop yourself, and when you write on the comment, the video stops. So you can continue the video once you've written your comments here. Now once you send your comments, everybody can see them. So just to recap, this is where you answer questions that come up and the grades go straight to the grades of the course. Take part in polls, write suggestions, and whatever you write here on this channel will be sent to your teachers, and it's 20% of your grade, so it's compulsory to take part and answer these questions. There's one other thing that can be very useful here, and if you look here, there's an option of also replying to people as well as adding a new comment. You can reply to somebody else, or you can add likes, whatever. But the other option here is what's called personal notes. If you choose this, it opens a different channel and you can make personal notes that only you can see. This is very useful because I think it's a new way of making notes. If you make notes on the video and your own personal notes, when you go back to see the video or you want to recap, you have all your notes here. You can copy them obviously to see what you think, your comments, and it's good for revision. So, but don't forget the two channels. When you finish, if you want to comment to everyone, you go back to here. Now the preferences are set so that you automatically get, you can follow discussions. So whenever you've written something on a discussion, you can get automatically replies to anything you make, and you automatically follow the discussions. So when other people write on the forum, on this video, you get to see what they've written. Okay, so we'll go back to the actual comments here. I think that should be clear. If there are any questions, of course, we're here to help. And just enjoy Unit 2.